Hey guys, so I think I found a good setting. No more Oompa Loompa. So I am dog tired, but I am faking it. I should be looking in here. I always make that mistake. I keep looking at myself in the viewfinder of the camera. But ain't gonna lie. My chapstick, my lip balm. I am dog tired, y'all. I was like, you know what? A promise is a promise. I'm gonna go ahead and do this. We're gonna knock it out the way so I can go ahead and watch This Is Us and all will be good with the world. All right, I'm so glad that I'm not looking orange anymore. Oh, I finally learned how to do something with this camera because your girl is not tech savvy whatsoever. So here's my hair. When I did my last video, that was Friday night. It is now Sunday afternoon. The sun is actually going down, but it is 5 in the afternoon. You know, we fell back so we get that extra hour. It's actually supposed to be 6, but I'm excited. But I'm just unraveling my braid. I'm not really looking for any definition because you all know I'm going to be pulling it back into a low bun. So I'm just going to unravel that and I'm going to detangle with one of my favorite combs now, just to stretch out my hair. Started at the bottom and we're going to the top. So that's just a bottom section here. I kind of tilted the camera over because I got a whole bunch of stuff hanging over here on the door. We don't need eyes on those things. I was looking at, when I was editing my video, I was looking at my little clothing pile that I had. It's actually not a junk pile. That's like a little cubby that I bought for all of my extra clothing that don't fit in the dresser. It's just a lot of clothes, so I'm gonna try to figure out a way to get all of that rearranged so that way that doesn't pop up in the video anymore. I like sitting in front of a window to do my video with the natural lighting, so I'm kind of retiring my whole sparkly background that I had. The fabric is still up there, but I prefer sitting in front of a window, and the way the room is set up, yeah, I don't know, I guess I'll have to find another use for that fabric. But yeah, so I'm just gonna continue to unravel and detangle. So I just continue to unravel and detangle the rest of the section. I did give myself a trim earlier this year, but I just hit a few snags. So I just kind of had to pull out some hair from the bottom. We'll just detangle that entire section. This is the amount of hair that came out. I'm gonna go ahead and do it with this section here, and then I'm gonna speed it up afterwards. So I'm just repeating the same steps, unraveling the braid, detangling it a little bit with my fingers, and then going in with my comb to further comb out my hair. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna do that to the rest of my hair, and then I'll be back with the full blowout look. Hey y'all, so here is my hair, all of it. So now to the task of getting it into a little ponytail. Let's see, make sure everything is good. I think we're good. And I'm going to use this scrunchie first. Was it this one I used first? No, this one first, because I can actually wrap it in two. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and what am I doing first? I'm gonna put my edge control on first. Y'all, it is a task trying to get this into a low ponytail. It's so doggone thick, it's ridiculous. Alright, so I'm going to be using this Eden Body Works Control Edge Glaze, the Coconut Shea Control Edge Glaze. I really like this product. I'm going to take that, just put it on my edges and where the part is. So I just continue to add the edge control to my hair, getting every edge in between the part as well. And even, no, actually I got the back of my hair once I put it in a ponytail, but just making sure I get everything so everything could be nice and smooth and slick once I add that gel on. So now I'm going to take this brush and just brush everything down. Kind of using the edge of the brush here rather than just going full on this way. I don't know why, I just feel like I'm just ripping out my hair when I do that, so just kind of working it with the edge of the brush. So now I'm gonna get that hair in a ponytail. Ooh. My God, this is hard, y'all. Then my hair gets caught in my piercing. So I'm not gonna add the gel yet. I add the gel after I get it in a ponytail. Alright. This is not going to be a short video, for sure. Alright, so I'm gonna take my headband turn scrunchie and I'm going to go ahead and get that into a low ponytail, low as possible. Alright, I'm out of breath. Alright, so we got it into a low ponytail. My God, today, my arms are killing me. Jesus. Okay, I'm just kind of loosening up the bottom here. It's a little tight, so just kind of loosening up here. Alright, so we're done with that. Now, I'm just going to pull on some hairs here to get everything nice and laid. Now we're going to put a big braid in here, see if we can achieve that. That I can do with my thick medium length hair. So now we're going to just put that up this way, and then I'm going to use this scrunchie to tie it down. So that's done. I'm gonna add a little bit more of this edge control. Ampro Prostyl protein styling gel from back in the day. Y'all know we all used to use it. Well, actually, I never really used gel that much when I was younger, but now I do. But this was like the best kind. All right, so I'm gonna take that and we're just gonna slap that all over our hair. Put it all over. So as you can see, I slathered the gel everywhere. Everywhere. I didn't discriminate on any part of my head. Every edge, all throughout the bun part. So now I'm going in with my toothbrush and I'm just going to get these edges together. So that's that. I just tie it down with my scarf and we are good to go. I prefer the dark gel over that because I usually use my Eco Styler Argan Oil gel, but it flakes so bad. So the dark gel, I know even if it does flake, it will not show as much as the clear gel will. Like, it looks like I have flakes all over and it's so annoying. Okay, I need to loosen this. Tie this again. This ain't holding how I want it to. There we go, that's better. So all I'm gonna do now is, I think that's a little bit better. All I'm gonna do now is tie it down and we will continue in the morning with everything. So this is the scarf I use to tie it down. I got it on Amazon. It's a silk-like scarf, so I'm gonna take that, just put it on my head, tie this down. And I don't tie a knot, I just roll this. And tuck. As you can see, I have gel residue from the last time I tied it. And then I go in with this one for extra security. And then I take a slap cap for triple security, just to hold everything in place. Sometimes it just all slides off. So that's it, you guys. I think I might have done it too tight. I might need to go back and loosen it a little bit because I'm feeling a little, feeling a little too snatched up here. All right, there we go. I think we're good. Sometimes I get a little out of hand and tighten it too much, but anyway, so that's pretty much it, guys. So I will come to you in the morning, hopefully if I have time, and go ahead and put on the drawstring so you can see how that looks. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the morning. That's actually the wake up yawn, isn't it? Deuces. See you in the morning. Bye. It's morning. Hey y'all. So it's morning and I'm taking off my head wrap. Everything is intact, but I have some flakage on the side that I'm going to use a spray to take care of. I just got a smidge of flaking. So now I'm going to take this Garnier Fructis Brilliant Shine glossing spray, and it has a little bit of oil in it as part of the ingredients. So some water and a little bit of oil, but I'm just going to spray that onto the spots that got a little bit of flaking just to hide that and minimize that. My edges were slick, but they kind of loosened up now as we speak. As I'm doing the voiceover right now, they kind of loosened up because I had more edge control than I did gel. So yeah, it's laying flat, but when I stepped outside, we had a little fuzzy there. But I mean, all in all, it turned out great. I'll just add more gel tonight before I go to bed. And now for the fun part, my FREETRESS Jamaican Twist ponytail. I am going to go ahead and add it on to the top where the scrunchie is. I try to put the comb all the way where the scrunchie is because sometimes when I don't, the comb ends up missing and it doesn't catch into the hair. So I put it right at the base where the scrunchie is. And then I'm going to do the same for the bottom. I tried to show you all, but the hair was clearly covering my hands and what I was doing. Yeah, so I'm just attaching it there. And I'm just trying to, you know, make sure everything is good. And then I'm going to pull on the drawstring to make sure everything is secure. So that's what I'm doing right here. Pushing those combs in, making sure everything is tight. Because sometimes when I pull the drawstring, the comb will like be in an awkward position. So I'm just trying to make sure that it's still in its rightful place and that I don't have any discomfort and any accidents. We don't want nothing flying off at work, okay? Because them kids will laugh at me. But yeah, so I love this pony. Oh my gosh, I am so in love. I need to back up. Like, I love this ponytail. It's so comfy and so convenient. So now I'm going to take that drawstring and wrap it around and just kind of tuck the string into itself, like kind of wrap it around itself and then tuck it under. I should have stood to the side to show you all what exactly that looked like. But yeah, so that's pretty much all it is, guys. Absolutely comfortable style. I will definitely have pictures at the end. Thank you so much for watching. I totally appreciate it. Thank you for the warm welcomes back to the few people that did catch my newer videos. That's the finished look. I absolutely love it. It's comfortable, it's cute, and convenient. Deuces.